Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The equilibrium constant for the dissociation of a cyanohydrin into a carbonyl compound and HCN reflects how stable the cyanohydrin is relative to its carbonyl precursor. A less stable cyanohydrin, more tendency to dissociate, has a larger K. Moving on to the next step. Identify the two cyanohydrins. Reaction 1, acetone cyanohydrin, CH3, to C, of CN dissociates into acetone plus HCN with equilibrium constant K1. Reaction 2, acetaldehyde cyanohydrin, CH3CH, of CN dissociates into acetaldehyde plus HCN with equilibrium constant K2. Moving on to the next step. Assess the stability of each cyanohydrin. The stability of a cyanohydrin depends on steric and electronic factors. Acetone cyanohydrin has two methyl groups on the carbon-bearing O and CN. This introduces greater steric strain, steric crowding around the quaternary-like carbon compared to acetaldehyde cyanohydrin, which has only one methyl group and one hydrogen. And for the final step, relate stability to the equilibrium constant. The equilibrium constant K for dissociation is equal to carbonyl compound HCN cyanohydrin. A less stable, more strained cyanohydrin lies more to the right, products, giving a larger K. Acetone cyanohydrin is less stable due to greater steric hindrance from the two methyl groups, so it has a greater tendency to dissociate back into acetone plus HCN. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin is more stable, less steric crowding, so it dissociates less, giving a smaller K. Therefore K1, acetone cyanohydrin dissociation, K2, acetaldehyde cyanohydrin dissociation. Why other options fail? A. K1 is equal to K2, incorrect. The two carbonyl compounds differ in steric bulk, so their cyanohydrins have different stabilities. C. K to K1, incorrect. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin is more stable and dissociates less. D. K1 is equal to K2 is equal to 1, incorrect. There is no reason these equilibrium constants equal 1. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.